Hi, Mark Stewart here with Bird-Kultgen Ford. As you know, we have a great selection of new Fords. But thanks to this CarFax, we have so much to offer on our great selection of pre-owned cars, trucks, and SUVs. Bird-Kultgen Ford takes great pride in offering high-quality used vehicles at great prices. Not only can you see the accident history, you'll also receive the car's reported service records. We provide a free CarFax report with every vehicle, so go ahead, ask for the CarFax. Whether you want to see the CarFax or the CarFax, Bird-Kultgen will get you in the right vehicle at the right price. Come see us today or visit us anytime at bkford.com.